Okay, this question is from the previous gate paper in the year of 2005 in the subject of communication system. The topic is related to the all analog modulations. The question is given as which of the following analog modulation scheme requires the minimum transmitted power and minimum channel bandwidth. Here the four analog modulations are given. Those are VSB, DSB, SE, SSB and AM. Now first we'll see the VSB modulation. This is VSB. We know that the bandwidth equal to FM plus FV, where FM is the message signal frequency maximum component and FV is the vestige frequency. Next see the bandwidth for the double sideband suppressed carrier, that is DSB-SE, that equal to twice of the message signal frequency 2 FM. Suppose if we see the SSB bandwidth, that equal to only FM, same as the message signal bandwidth. And suppose if we see the conventional AM, that is also twice of the message signal. If we compare these four bandwidths, here the SSB requires the less bandwidth, that is nothing but same as the message signal frequency. Now if coming to the power, okay, here the power is required for the VSB, the power is required for the one of the sideband PSB plus the power required for the PV, that is the vestigial sideband power, and that is two bands we have to transmit. And for the double sideband suppressed carrier, the total sideband power that consists two sidebands, okay, double of the message single band power, that is PSB is required. So if we observe this one, the only either LSB or low USB power is enough, that is for SSB. And here for suppose conventional AM is concerned, the power is required for carrier and to transmit carrier, the power is required to transmit PV upper sideband and lower sideband. This is for AM. Okay, here if we observe here, the vestigial sideband power is required as a one of the sideband power plus PV. Okay, that is the one of the sideband power is nothing but PLSB plus some part is extra required. If DSB is concerned, that is PSB, that is the lower sideband power and upper sideband power is required, that equal to LSB power plus USB power. And SSB requires either LSB power or USB power. This requires three powers, USB power, LSB power and carrier power. Now here SSB only requires less power. Now the option is SSB, it requires less bandwidth and less power.